What's up guys, John here. So I just installed spacer on my BMW F30 328i. So the front is 12.5 millimeter and the back is 15 millimeter. And so far everything is good, nothing wrong with it. There is no rubbing or stuff like that. When I go over a speed bump or like turn super hard, there's no rubbing at all, so that's good. You see the back is 15 millimeter, so stick out a little bit more, look way better. The front is 12.5 millimeter. There you go. You can see the tire like poking out. I like the look of that. Make the car look way better, man. There you go. So I got the spacer on Amazon for like 50 bucks each. It's so worth it, dude. If you have a BMW F30 3 Series, get one, put it on your car. It's gonna make the car look way better. You see the back? The back looks so cool, man. There you go. Yeah, that's it.